Reese, you want me to put this in fast motion so it looks like you're really fast?
Yes. If you're taking pictures, you better send them to me.
I will. You look like a professional up there.
That means a lot coming from you, dude.
No, really, I mean, you look like a natural. How many branches did you take off already?
About 2.
2?
Yeah.
What are we doing here today to this tree?
You know, see what we got here is there might have been a storm or something. Some kind of storm. A little bit of icy mix up, a little bit of wind. Got some breakage up there.
Oh, wow.
So what we're going to do here is we're going to cut that off. Everything below it, gone.
Got ya.
We're going to give this here tree a facelift. It's going to look about 15 years younger.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
I'm going to start here on this behemoth, this big veiny triumphant behemoth right here.
Right there.
I'm going to do a little cutting on this right now.
What is that tree? What is the species of that wood you're dealing with there?
I think this is one of them oaks or something.
Oak, okay. That method that you do there when you're climbing, is that called tree walking?
Yeah, this is reverse of the moonwalk pretty much.
Oh, reverse.
You take the moonwalk and then you do it forwards, but up a tree, you know?
Got ya.
Call it the skywalk.
I didn't know, that's why I asked, but thank you, I know now.
Yep.
Skywalk.
That's kind of just how that works.
Do spikes make it easier?
Yeah, see, I got these caterpillar boots on. They're supposed to make me be able to walk up trees like an actual caterpillar.
Oh, wow.
So I bought these.
To help you with your day.
To help me climb better. Since I climbed so much, you know.
I got you. I got you.
I've been doing this for a while, you know. I was trained this guy, David, I forget his last name, but he taught me how to do a lot of things.
He used to do big sequoias in Tennessee a lot.
Yep, that's the guy.
Yeah,
the guy.
I know.
I'm also a part of his club. He's got
A
fan club.
fan club, yep.
For flogging.
Web book page.
Yeah, little flogging action, you know.
Yep. Getting in near the dangerous stuff. That must be a pretty dangerous job you do.
Yeah.
Oh, be careful. Is that made out of Kevlar?
Yeah.
You put a rope around that. Are you going to lower that down?
I'm gonna cut this.
Okay. Seems like a lot of roping going on up there.
Yeah. That's how I was trained by David.
Oh yeah. But he used to use like 600-foot ropes was his shortest down there.
Yeah.
As you can see, my apprentice Reese is in the tree. About 5 minutes in and he's made 2 cuts. One might think he's struggling, but not him. This is all planned. You gotta plan your moves. See the little flip? Yup. Nice.
Well, if Dan was here, he'd be yelling at me, cut it! Just cut it! So I'm just gonna cut it. At this moment right now, I'm thinking in my head, WWDD. You know what I'm saying? What would Dan do? You know?